No one wants a battery catastrophe, right? Well, let's take a look at what one looks like and, more importantly, how to avoid it. Today's episode of how to keep your battery alive, or at least how to not damage it beyond working condition. So you might be able to see what we got going here. We got a crack in the battery. This is an early Ford battery. Doesn't matter the year. This came out of a 32, but 6-volt battery from an early Ford. It's a very nice battery. I mean, you can see the logos, the LED logos. It's a nice battery, very expensive battery. And when my friend said he needed help changing the battery, and we got down to it, saw the crack, didn't take long to figure out what happened, because when I tried to unloose the clamps he had were just so tightened down and deformed that when you put the pressure on it to tighten it, what happened was, when you tighten it like that, this is what happens. No bueno, right? And look, it even happened over here just so slightly. Same deal. You can see from the torque on it, it's so one way to prevent that is you can hold your thumb down, or maybe stick a screwdriver or something in the between the bolt and the clamp while you're tightening it down, or some pressure on the cable, tighten it. They don't need to be real tight. Clamps should fit right, and then you're not going to have this kind of problem. I've seen this before, but first time I had my camera right here to show you. So from Walter's Workshop, be safe out there, have fun.